After the quick analysis of our design, we continue with focusing on the air barrier. The air barrier needs to be continuous on all 6 sides of the building. It is important to understand the sequence of construction that needs to happen at the intersection of the products to maintain a continuous air barrier. The air tightness is typically maintained with the use of sealants, tapes, and gaskets. In the example of our simple building design, the air barrier would be sealed at the connection between the slab and the wall. The sealant is placed on the slab. Then the air barrier material from under the slab is folded up onto the slab and embedded into the sealant. We put sealant again on the top of the rolled up air barrier. Then we embed the bottom plate and put sealant again on top of it, and at the joint between the slab and foundation. After that, the wall panels can be set up. All sealants need to be applied continuous with no voids or thin areas. After that, we put a sealant between the window opening and the wall. The window uses sealant which was installed during production in the factory. The same happens on all sides of the window, continuously to the top. We arrive at the top of the wall. We put sealant at the joint of the OSB and the stud. Then we put the top plate, and again we put sealant above it. Then we put a bigger strip of OSB, which overhangs the top plate. It is important not to forget to seal the butt joints of the strip and underneath to make sure the air tightness is continuous. After that, we set the trusses and we complete the air barrier from the wall to the roof. Then we put the OSB underneath and we seal the OSB with a tape of liquid sealant. The band panel is installed to complete the thermal envelope by putting sealant on the face of the joint and impregnate it into the wall.